here's sort of the most basic Tom Ferry 101 strategy. What I say to everybody is, you got to know your daily number. Now, what it says that 554, just to be clear, that's talk to 5 people in your database every day. You can do it via text. You can do it via text, right? Talk to 5 new people every day, someone that refers you, right? Someone in your database, their name is Larry. It says 416-895, and you have no idea who that Larry is. That's a new conversation. You're probably not going to cold call. It's 2020. We don't really have to do that. There's way more options. And then 4 is the number of lead follow-up, nurture, nudge conversations you need to have every day. So let's just stop for a second, because this is where I get people. Remember this example? Where you're comfortable is not making calls and hoping and praying to the real estate gods that somebody calls you, right? Then you get a little uncomfortable, and all of a sudden you realize, Chris, I was on the phone this morning with a legendary agent in Beverly Hills. His name is Christoph Chu. Millions and millions and millions of views on his YouTube channel, TV, he's a total celebrity agent, right? And having another great year, even though COVID, sort of messed up a couple deals, which it did for a lot of people. So he's a friend, right? So this wasn't a coaching session. I was just checking out on a pal, known him for 20 years. What's up, Christoph? How you doing? Oh God, man. Tom, I've really been behind on my 554s. And I said, and how's that working out? He goes, well, my pipeline isn't where I want it to be. I still get the 2 to 3 I trust you calls. We don't get come list me calls, guys. You get I trust you calls. There is no come list me. It's I trust you, right? So he says, I'm not getting as many I trust you calls. I said, well, Christoph, you might want to reach out to the 2,000 people in your database that you've been in the business for 30 years. Oh, I know, but I just don't want to bug them. I get it. Ready? Look at this is for him. Literally, this is called, it's easy. I can hit the ball 225 and it goes to the right, and he makes like $1.2 million a year. When he goes like this, he makes $3 to $4 million. You just got to decide, my friends. I know it's uncomfortable. No one cares. Do you want to serve more customers, which means be a little uncomfortable, or do you want to be really uncomfortable or really comfortable making uncomfortably low amounts of money? You have to decide.